So hey guys, this is my KTM Duke 250 and now the second service has been done. So how much does it cost and what are the things they have changed and what are the things they have said? I will let you know about everything. So let's just start with the first thing. After second service, bike is very clean, very clicky, very punchy. When you throttle up, it will give you a very good bump. So bike is full open now, engine is full open, and it cost me around, I will show you the bill, like how much does it cost, exact price. But the thing they have checked, like when I went, they took a test ride and they told me you have to change these brake pads after 500 km because the brake pad is now very running, and so I have to change it after 500 km. But now it is running fine. And the second thing they have said is all bike is okay, and they told me like yeah, everything is fine. So they did like I think engine oil change and oil filter and air filter, and of course they lube the chain. They have washed it very well, and yeah, so they did all the basic things, and I told them to like open it up. So when you are going for service, you just tell them to open it up and clean the chain area, like all the things will stuck there. So after that they lube the chain, so see, the chain is very fine and everything is fine. And now I will show you the bill of the second service. So let me just open it up. Here they have changed the oil filter. It cost me 69 rupees, and there is a ProLube 20W50. It cost me 538 rupees, and there is ProLube 20W50. It cost me 538 rupees. And the second thing is Ring O. It cost me 8 rupees, and Element Filter Air. It cost me 206 rupees, and the Ingul Expert Module. It cost me 195 rupees, and they have lube the chain, ProLube Fuel System Cleaner. So this is a fuel system cleaner, so it cost me around 34 rupees, and the chain spray is around 201 rupees. Total is 1568 rupees. And if you see, these are the things, labor invoice, so they have added this consumables, and this thing is polishing charges 50 rupees, so they have add here 187 rupees total here. So it goes around 2071 rupees. So this is a free service, second free service of this KTM Duke 250. So it cost me around 2000 rupees, but I think in paid service I have to pay around 4500 rupees or 5000 rupees. They have said like that only, I have to pay 5000 rupees for paid service. But now it is okay, like 2000 rupees is fine. So in second service they did all the things like you know, the engine oil change, air filter and fuel system clean, and all the chain lubing, pro lubing. So they did all the things very well. So this is how much it cost in second service, and I am sure it will cost me 5k or 4.5k in paid service, but it is okay. And look at this now, it looks very amazing, man. So if you are planning to buy this bike, this looks very fine. And now after second service, bike is running very well, so you can go for it, and all thing is very good. And let me show you the instrument cluster of this bike now again. So this is how it looks, ready to race. And let me just start the engine now. So this is how it sounds now. So this is all about my second service of this KTM Duke 250. I hope कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब नाउ. और मिलता हूँ मैं आपसे अपने वाली वीडियो में कुछ नए कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम एंड जय सिया राम.